Hello, and welcome to your technique video for the Electrochemical Cells Lab. Remember that you must wear your goggles anytime that chemicals are out in the lab. If any of the solutions come in contact with your skin, flush the affected area and wash your hands before leaving lab today. All of the solutions may be poured down the sink with lots of water. The solid metal wire and foil needs to be washed with water, dried, and returned to the container that you got it from. Do not throw any of the metal away. Before you begin, think of the most efficient way to set up your solutions in the well plate. Because the salt bridges are short, the cells need to be next to each other in order for the salt bridge to connect them. One way to speed up this lab is to set it up like this. Solution A is in one column. In the next column, solutions B through E have been placed in the wells. This will allow you to test the 4 cells in a quick series. To set up a half cell, first begin by sanding the oxide coating off of each of the metals. Fill one of the wells with an aqueous solution of a salt of the metal. Then place the metal electrode into the well's solution. You can set up several wells at the same time. When your wells are ready, plug the electrical leads into the voltmeter. Turn it to read volts DC or VDC. Zero the voltmeter by touching the 2 leads together. Place the salt bridge so that it connects the 2 wells that you are about to test. Connect one of the leads to one of the metals and connect the other lead to the other metal, and record which lead is connected to each metal in your notebook. At first, the reading will change rapidly as you connect and adjust the leads. Once it seems like there's not as much noise, record the reading on the voltmeter. You can then swap the leads. Record the reading once the noise goes away. If you set up the wells like we did, you can move the metal on the left to the next solution and attach the other lead to the new electrode on the right in the new solution. Move the salt bridge and you are ready to collect your data again. You will repeat this procedure for all the possible combinations of solutions. For exercise 2, you will prepare some lead half cells in one column using the 1 molar lead solution and a piece of solid lead. In the next column, you will place a series of copper solutions prepared using the dilution technique that is described in the KSP lab. You need to prepare at least 6 solutions of different concentrations. You are trying to have the concentration differ by a factor of 10 in each new solution, so think about how you can do that quickly before coming to lab. Measure the potential between each of the copper dilution half cells and the standard lead half cell. Be prepared to graph the relationship between concentration and potential. At the end of the lab, make sure to put your salt bridges back in the container. If they dry out, they are unusable, so make sure that both ends are in the solution. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck in lab!